Hello everyone, welcome in part 2 of molecular orbital theory. Today we will discuss about the MO diagrams of atomic number 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Can you tell me the name of atom? Boron, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, fluorine, neon. Okay. It has electronic configuration 1s1, 1s2, 2s1, 2s2, 2p1, 2, 2, 4 and 1, 5 electrons are there. Okay. Next is 1s2, 2s2, 2p2. Next is 1s2, 2s2, 2p3. Next is 1s2, 2s2, 2p4. Next is 1s2, 2s2, 2p5. Next is 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, means complete octet is there. Okay. So Ne2 will not be formed. Okay. Ne2 will not be exist. By last lecture's trick, you can calculate number of electrons are 10. So Ne2, how many electrons will be there? 20. In 20 the bond order is 0. Okay, in part 1 video you can see it. I have given this trick. With 20 number of electrons, bond order is 0. 0 means Ne2 will not exist at all. Clear? So this is done. Okay, and today we will discuss about nitrogen and oxygen. Okay, rest of will be your homework. This will be your homework, this will be your homework, this will be also your homework. Okay, here I have to make you understand about the trick for p orbitals. For these p orbitals, we have a certain technique. For these three, the trick is 2 1 2 1 from down to upward direction. Clear? And for these three, the trick is this one. Clear? So first I am going to take nitrogen, formation of N2 molecule. So I will go according to electronic configuration. Clear? So in first I am going to make it. So this is the energy arrow. Okay, and here I can make two 1s2. Okay, here atomic orbital of n, here atomic orbital of n, here MO orbital of N2 is there. Clear? And here two S2 is there. Okay, so sigma 2s2 is there, then sigma star 2s2 is there, then p orbital comes. So I'll make p orbital like this way. This is 2p3, this is 2p3. Now follow the trick. In these three, upper three, we have trick 2 1 2 1. So I'll make two boxes. Two boxes, then one box, then two box, then one box. One box, then two box, then one box. Okay. So this will be pi 2px, pi 2py, sigma 2pz. Now I will put star because these are bonding and these are anti-bonding. So pi star 2px, pi star 2py, and sigma star 2pz. Clear? So now you can see I have written the electronic configuration of each nitrogen atom. You can see there, these are the nitrogen atoms. So this is 1s2, 2s2, 2p3, 1s2, 2s2, 2p3. So each is given. Okay, I will make it like this also. Okay, so that you can read it. This is atomic orbital of one nitrogen, this is atomic orbital of one nitrogen, they are mixed. Now this is the molecular orbital of N2 molecule. Clear? Now you see it. Now the question arises about bond order first. Okay, so bond order will be number of electron in BMO and ABMO. So here 3 electrons are there, 3 electrons are there, so 3 and 3, 6 are there. So I will put 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I will put 2 also here. Okay, so the bond order will be number of electron in BMO minus ABMO. You can count these also. Okay, but if you don't want to count it, you can take P only. Okay, you can write it like this way, the bonding molecular orbital, because 2 2 means they have equal energy. 2 2 means they have almost equal energy, so you can count them also. So 2 BMO and 6 BMO. So how many electrons are there? Number of electron in BMO minus number of electron in ABMO by 2. So number of electron in BMO 2 plus 6, 8, minus number of electron in ABMO only 2. Here 0 is there, so only 2. So what will be the number? 6 by 2, that is 3. That means nitrogen is having triple bond. Clear? So this is the bond order technique. Or you can take direct number also. Generally I am not considering it, I am taking just directly it. So beside that you can use this also, only 6 minus 0, 6 minus 0, again the answer will be 3. So nitrogen is having triple bond. Clear? Now the question arises about nature. Nature is, you can see all are paired, so diamagnetic. In my previous lectures technique, you can see the total number of electron in N2 we discussed 7 2s are 14. 14 means bond order is 3. I have discussed this in that technique. Bond order is 3. And nature, about nature, it is 14 is even number, so dia. So you can verify this technique with this MO diagrams conclusion also. Clear? So that technique was true. Now authentication is there. Now the third one is electronic configuration, EC. Electronic configuration we will write from downward to upward direction. We will write this KK star, okay, for 1s, sigma 1s2 and sigma star 1s2 we can write KK star, okay. Then sigma 2s2. Clear? Then sigma star 2s2. Then pi 2px2. That almost equals to pi 2py2. Clear? So this will be the electronic configuration. Clear? Now fourth, stability order. Stability order you can write, if you take N2 minus, then the bond order will be, the number of electron will be 15, so the bond order will be 2.5. If N2 plus is there, then it is 13 and bond order will be 2.5 again. Clear? So in N2 plus you see the number of electron in ABMO are less. If I am talking about ABMO electrons, then it is having 1 electron, it is having 0 electron. So which one will be more stable? I think N2 plus, because it is having no electron. Clear? You can see it If N minus is there, one extra electron will come and that will go in ABMO. So in N2 minus, one electron will be present in ABMO. Although bond order are similar, but ABMO electron will decide the stability. So the stability will be N2 with 3 bond order, that is maximum, then N2 plus, then N2 minus. So this will be the stability order of nitrogen. Clear? You can take a screenshot of it. Now I'll take the another example, which is oxygen. Okay, as you know, oxygen has this technique 1 2 2 1. Clear? With this electronic configuration. So I am going to make some changes in this diagram also. Okay, so please be careful. First I am rubbing this. Okay. This will be 4 and here I will make some changes. Only here. You can see the technique is 1 2 2 1, means one box will be on the downward side and 2 boxes will be on the upper side. Then 2 1 2 1. Upper technique is similar, but the downward technique is in the technique which is related with bonding molecular orbital is different. Clear? So in these three, this technique is lying. So 2p4 is there. So this is sigma 2pz, this is pi 2px, pi 2py. Okay. Now 4 electrons are there. So total number of electrons are 8. So I will fill 6 here and 1 here. So 1 2 1 2 3 4 1 2. So you can see 1 electrons are in anti-bonding and 2 electrons are in bonding. So again I can calculate the bond order BMO minus ABMO. I am not counting this, you can count this also, the result will be same. Clear? I am counting this only. So 6 minus 2, that is 4 by 2, that is 2. Means oxygen is oxygen, oxygen and oxygen is having double bond. Nature, that is paramagnetic. Paramagnetic, you can see 2 unpaired electrons are there. Okay. Electronic configuration, you can write from downward to upward direction. Sigma star 2s2, then sigma 2pz2, then pi 2px2 almost equal to pi 2py2, then pi star 2px1 almost equal to pi star 2py1. So this will be the electronic configuration of O2 molecule. Now question arises about stability. So by yesterday's technique you can see O2 plus 2, O2 plus O2, O2 minus and then O2 minus 2. Bond order is 3, 2.5, 2, 1.5 and 1. Clear? So with respect to stability bond order, the stability will be like this. Okay. You can calculate the total number also. 8 2s are 16 and minus 2. So 14 electron. In 14 the bond order is 3. You can take this example also. 8 2s are 14, 8 2s are 16, 16 and 2. Now we will add 2. 16 and 2, 18. 18 means 1 will be there. So that technique I have given you already. So you can make here oxygen should be mentioned O2. Okay, so this is the MO diagram of O2 molecule. So beside that you can make, I can give you homework this also. You can make O2 plus, okay, both will be plus, O2 minus, then O2 minus, then O2 plus. So these four you can make at your home. You can practicize it. So this is the all about the stability of bond order of these compounds. Clear? Now we have done about this. Up to 10 we have completed. Any two will not exist, and these three are already homework given to you. You have to follow this technique 2 1 2 1 and 1 2 2 1. Clear? Thank you so much.